All right, so let's start this problem by drawing out what's actually happening. So I have here graph paper because it helps to have graph paper. You don't need it, but you can certainly use it. So let's pick a point where this rabbit is to start. So let's just make a point and call it the starting point. I'll label it S for start. And now we're going to draw what it did. So first it's running 4 miles north. So I'm going to go up 4 boxes and stop. That's 4 miles north. Now it's running 2 miles west, so I'm going to move 2 boxes to the west, stop. Then I'm going to go 1 mile south, and then it's going 3 miles east. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make another point. So I have my starting point, and now I have my ending point. So the first question is, okay, how far did it run total? So that's simply a matter of adding up all these values for how far it ran. So it ran 4 miles north, plus 2 miles west, plus 1 mile south, plus 3 miles east. So if we add that up, 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, we get a total of 10 miles. So 10 miles represents its total distance. So there's not much trick to that. But the displacement, we have to look at the starting and end point and figure out how far away that is. So this is the total displacement. It's the distance between the starting and end point. The difficulty is that's at an angle. So we somehow have to figure out how far that is. So what we want to do is draw a right triangle. And we know that this length is 1 meter, and that mile rather, and that this is 3 meters, miles. So now we're trying to find this distance here, the hypotenuse, which we'll call c. So this is just like in math class. We have Pythagorean theorem. We know that 1 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, where c is how far the rabbit has traveled, its total displacement. So now I'm just going to solve for this. So I get 1 plus 9 equals c squared, or 10 equals c squared. So c, the total displacement, is the square root of 10. And in my calculator, the square root of 10 is about 3.2. So 3.2 miles, this is the total displacement. So it is 3.2 miles from home, but it has gone 10 miles to get there. That's its distance. So that's the major difference between the two, and that's all you need to do to be able to figure these out.